Good afternoon, all you results getters. Hi, I wanted to do a quick recap of our group event that took place in Raleigh, North Carolina this October. And so I'll tell you, Thursday was probably one of the deepest dives we've taken in financials. It was excellent, an excellent day. And I did want to personally thank Brian Pickens for coming up and helping us get focused on numbers, right? And so Brian answered questions with me. He's a guy that's hitting those margins, right? He's hitting the ones we like to hit. And remembering that these margins aren't out of greed, but they're necessary, right? It's necessary for us to run a healthy business and be able to attract quality folks. And so these margins, of course, are necessary. We use the Brad as a tool to understand our numbers and where we are, and use that as a tool to where we need to be, where we need to get. And I wanted to thank Brian Pickens for sharing how you get there, right? It's not just about knowing what you need to get, but how do you get there? Friday, of course, we had a great store visit, visiting G3 Automotive Solutions. Much appreciated, Chris Gerber, for your hospitality. What a fantastic crew of people Chris has. Really great folks. And so I know for a fact, and I want to thank the members that were able to attend and observe and share some very valuable feedback that's going to help Chris on his mission of continued success and to push forward. And so thanks, Chris, for the hospitality. Thank you, members that were able to be there and contribute. And it was a great visit. The book we read, The 1 Minute Manager, kind of continuing off from the 1 Minute Manager that we shared and read in June, Montana. We continued on that pathway, except for this book's focused on self-leadership. At the end of the day, if you want to be a great leader, you got to lead yourself first, right? So that's number one, is how do we become great leaders ourselves and therefore allow us to be great leaders for our people. Excellent book. If you don't have a copy, go ahead and pick you up a copy because we're going to continue to extract all the information that we can out of this book through our working on it Tuesday meetings when we cover and study leadership. So that's coming forward as well. Oh, by the way, we have a new Dollar Time champion. Congratulations to Fred Wilson. Fred has a great idea about responding to some of the online appointments and getting greater detail to help, of course, our front counter as well as our technicians when it comes down to diagnosing the vehicle. I thought it was an excellent idea and, of course, very well presented. So great job and congratulations to you, Fred, for being the new Dollar Time champion. Hey, looking forward to 2025. Exact dates coming out soon, but tentatively you can plan on February here in the Woodlands, Texas. So make sure and pack your swim trunks and your tank tops. It'll be nice and toasty here in Texas in February. And then, of course, in June 2025, we will get to visit Mr. Jeff Strouser and Chris Goodson there at Jeff's Automotive in Pennsylvania. We got some great stuff coming ahead, and I'm looking forward to seeing more of you folks in person, shaking your hands and saying hello, hugs. You know, we're always going to be stronger together as a group than we are as individuals. So excellent event. Looking forward to the next one. Hey, it's about mid-October, guys. I want to let everybody know, stay focused. We want to get the fourth quarter off to a great start. It starts right now here in October, you know, one day at a time, right? Let's have our monthly goals and weekly goals and daily goals, and let's hit them. Let's just stay focused. Rally up, everybody. See you soon on the Zoom.